case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case that drew attention to the intricacies of zoning laws, a New York Supreme Court Appellate Division grappled with the lawsuit filed by a limited liability company. The plaintiff challenged the lawfulness of a section in the defendant's Zoning Ordinance, which strictly prohibited the setting up of a formula fast food restaurant in the central business district. Contending that the ordinance excessively interfered with their business operations, the plaintiff wished to lease commercial space for a Subway restaurant, a venture that would fall into the outlawed category under the ordinance. Intriguingly, the heart of the plaintiff's argument was that the ordinance was unconstitutional, not merely inconvenient. The plaintiff took issue with how the ordinance seemed to hinge on property ownership rather than usage, a vital distinction. But the lower courts did not concur. They dismissed the plaintiff's motion for summary judgment, choosing instead to favor the defendant's cross-motion. The dispute found its way to the Supreme Court, which upheld the view of the lower court in its determination. The judges clarified that zoning deals primarily with land use, where the identity of the owners or occupants is irrelevant. On these grounds, the court reasoned that the contested ordinance did not, in fact, intrude into matters of property ownership, as contested by the plaintiff. In a surprising reversal, the Supreme Court disagreed with the lower court on the issue of declaratory judgment causes. Denying the defendant's motion for dismissal, the court reinstated these causes of action. Ultimately, it declared the controversial Section 170(13) of the ordinance as valid, affirming its right to prohibit formula fast food restaurants in the central business district.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.